Nitrogen cycle is a type of nutrient cycle or also called as biogeochemical cycle. Biogeochemical cycle, which includes biological, geological and chemical processes to get completed, right? So, uh, cycling is required to maintain the availability of particular nutrient into the atmosphere. For example, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, etc. are the elements which are required for the survival of living organisms, which participate in various metabolic activities and which plays a role in the um construction, in the formation of various biomolecules required for the survival of living organisms. Nitrogen is one of the most important element required for the survival of living organisms. Nitrogen is present 78% in the atmosphere in the N2 form, but it is not possible to utilize that nitrogen by the living organisms directly without help of microbes. It is present as a N triple bond N form, and which makes it very stable, which do not allow other chemicals to easily react with it. Nitrogen cycle is transfer of nitrogen from atmosphere to organisms and back to atmosphere. Of course, cycle means the thing which begins at one point comes back to the same point. That is known as nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle includes some steps, right? So it includes nitrogen fixation, ammonification, nitrification, nitrogen assimilation and denitrification. Nitrogen fixation is conversion of nitrogen and hydrogen into ammonia. This nitrogen fixation can be done by lightning, this can be done by some microbes, and this can also be done at industrial level by by applying a required temperature and pressure. But the ammonia produced in the industries, that won't be enough for the availability of all the organisms on the earth. So microbes play very important role in this process. Ammonification is formation of ammonia from the organic nitrogen. When the animals or when the plants, when the living organisms die, then there are microbes which leads ammonification, which causes conversion of organic nitrogen, that is proteins which have amino acids with them. They contain nitrogen in abundant amount, and then there is a DNA which also contain nitrogen, RNA which also contains nitrogen. So nitrogen is present in various forms in a living organism, and there are microbes which cause ammonification, which causes conversion of organic nitrogen into ammonia. What is nitrification? The third topic is nitrification. Nitrification is conversion of ammonia into nitrite, and that nitrite get converted to nitrate by the help of microbes. Nitrogen assimilation, that is the plants assimilate nitrogen in the form of ammonium or nitrate. Plants will take nitrogen in the form of ammonium or nitrate. They won't take any other form of nitrogen. The last one is denitrification, where the nitrate gets back converted into the nitrogen, again by the use of some other microbes. Here is the diagram of nitrogen cycle, which is showing that lightning causes nitrogen fixation, that is formation of ammonia, this nitrogen fixation. And there are also some bacteria which causes nitrogen fixation. For example, Rhizobacter bacteria, Nostoc, Anabaena. There are some bacteria which causes conversion of nitrogen and hydrogen into ammonia. This is called as nitrogen fixation. You have to keep in your mind that nitrogen fixation is formation of ammonia and nitrification is formation of nitrite and nitrate. Don't get confused in these both. This ammonia gets further converted to nitrite by the help of microbes by the process nitrification, and that nitrification, that nitrite will again converted to nitrate. Plants assimilate this nitrate and this nitrate will become the part of food chain. Plants also assimilate ammonia and that ammonium and nitrate will become part of the food chain from plants that will get transferred to the consumers. Plants are the primary producers and of course producers, and from primary producer it will transfer to primary consumer, then secondary consumer, tertiary consumer and quaternary consumer, and in this way nitrogen will move to all living organisms. Without microbes nitrogen cannot be assimilated, nitrogen cannot be fixed, and without plants that can't come into the food chain, right? So microbes and plant play very important role in nitrogen cycle. When organisms die, as plants and animals will die, they will get denitrified by some denitrifying bacteria and will again get converted to nitrogen, right? So it will be denitrification. Here I have written some reactions which take place during this nitrogen cycle. As I have told you about nitrogen fixation, that is formation of ammonia by the help of nitrogen and hydrogen. The microbes responsible for it are Azobacter and Rhizobium. The microbes could be aerobic, they could be anaerobic, or they could be symbiotic also, right? So there are various types of microbes which participate in the nitrogen fixation, but you have to learn these two examples, that will be enough. Now there is second topic, that is ammonification. Ammonification is conversion of organic nitrogen into ammonium, and this function is done by many microbes, many bacteria can perform it. And this ammonification is also called as mineralization. This is also called as mineralization. The third is nitrification, where I have told you that the ammonium get converted to nitrite by the help of bacteria Nitrosobacter and Nitrosomonas, and there are various other bacteria also. Nitroso is for conversion of ammonium to nitrite, and Nitrobacter, that is responsible for conversion of nitrite to nitrate. Nitroso for nitrite formation and nitro for nitrate formation. This is called as nitrification. Now there is denitrification, where I have told you that the nitrate gets converted back into the nitrogen. Some bacteria which are responsible for it are Bacillus and Pseudomonas, which play denitrification. And then this nitrogen will again become the part of the atmosphere, and here the nitrogen cycle will get completed. Here I have shown a detailed reaction where nitrate get converted to nitrite to nitric oxide, then this nitric oxide get converted to dinitrogen monoxide to nitrogen, right? So here it will again become the part of the atmosphere, and this is called as nitrogen cycle, and here the nitrogen cycle will complete. This is NMOX. NMOX is anaerobic ammonium oxidation. It is the process where nitrite combines with ammonia and that directly gets converted to nitrogen in the presence of microbe as Brocadia. It has capacity to convert nitrite and ammonia directly into nitrogen instead of converting nitrite to nitrate and then nitrate back into nitrite. Yes. So only some bacteria have capacity to perform this NMOX. It takes a bit less time to form nitrogen back into the atmosphere, right? So here nitrogen cycle completes. I hope so. It was good for you. It was helpful for you. If you have any queries, you can ask me later in the comment section. Thank you so much.